What's wrong, Janae?
The hell he's talking about?
Janae, then
you
you
like
can ask mommy that you can do it too.
Yeah.
No.
You can look cool like mommy.
No.
You don't want to look like cool like mommy?
No.
You are not good at this.
You get a nice style in your
Mommy,
hair.
I
You're
want-
terrible at this parenting
I
thing.
want hair
You're a great
to
uncle.
stay the same.
You look at this, Janae.
I'll do it for you,
You want
Janae.
to have my hair? I'm joking, by the way. I had to say that quickly.
Give it to her.
You want to hold that? It's oily because I put a hot oil treatment on my hair.
Wow. That's so cool.
Hey,
Put it back.
You like it?
no,
Put it back on my head?
no, yeah.
It's not going to stick, Janae. There's
Just
the
some
old
glue?
mommy. And this is a new one.
I see myself in the mirror with it.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Janae with the long hair.
What about a head back?
It's actually not a bad idea. We could plait it.
That's disgusting.
Let me
That's pretty
hold
cool.
it. I want to keep it.
Okay.
Yes.
But it's eventually going in the
Press
trash.
it on top of the toilet there.
Oh, Colleen, I let go.
Okay, here on.
Oh man, batteries.
Really? I
Yeah.
charged it. Anyways, it doesn't.